Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna make a 1 to 10 scale model of this living room. Why, may you ask? Well, you'll have to stick around for a future video, but trust me, it'll be worth it. First things first, let's get some measurements and shrink this place down.
This coffee table's round. I might need to get creative with it.
Now that my measurements are all drawn out, I'm going to translate them into a mini world. And I'm using cardboard as my weapon of choice because A, it's sturdy, and B, it's super easy to work with, and the cat likes it. I'm using a scale bar and a ruler because my model is 1 to 10, which means 1 centimeter in my model equals 10 centimeters in real life. So for example, if my window is 1.75 meters or 175 centimeters in real life, that means it needs to be 17.5 centimeters in my model. But please don't ask me to explain this in imperial because those fractions really confuse me. Like, what even is 5/8 of an inch? Okay, it's starting to look like a tiny house. This part's always fun because you get to see it come to life. Now let's move on to the furniture. You can't have a living room without anywhere to sit. And ta-da, my 1 to 10 scale living room is complete. I bet you're wondering why I'm making this. Well, all I can say is stay tuned. Drop your best guesses in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!